Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara and Tigray region is that viewers, in many previous videos I have informed you that a heavy war is going on between Tigray Defense Force and Afar militias at Birhale in Afar region zone 2. And now, according to latest reports, the Afar region forces have also joined Afar militias against Tigray Defense Force. And now, reports are being received from Tigray Defense Force sources and from many reliable sources that Tigray Defense Force has won big victories in the war in the Afar region. And according to Tigray Defense Force sources, Tigray Defense Force soldiers has killed hundreds of Ethiopian army and its allied soldiers and has taken several vehicles and heavy weapons under their control. Viewers, and also shared video from Tigray Defense Force about it, which I will share with you in the end. In this video, you can see that several Ethiopian army vehicles destroyed by Tigray Defense Force. And along with this, Tigray Defense Force sources claim to have captured several Ethiopian army and its allied soldiers. Viewers, as the area is located far from the road connecting Ethiopia and Djibouti, the first reports are received that there are no soldiers of the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces. But now, according to the latest reports, Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers have reached to help of Afar militias. Viewers, as Birhale is located near Afar, Tigray and Eritrea border, the main purpose of Tigray Defense Force is to take control of Birhale and move towards Eritrea border. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Let's watch the video. Thanks for watching.
وقعت عاوني عدخو زانا استخايد وقعت بتحمي هلخ زودو وقعت نيرهم ابزوم استخايد وقعت لك زلخو كلهم تساتفنا لهم زكايدنا من وقعت كبرات زخونو تقادل تخافلنا قوسيلومنا تسويومنا فليبز ولا جيجننت كنت تسريح بقى ابزو ولا دزي فليبز ولا جيجننت